What's up? And so today I'm doing the Siri Picks Myself challenge. So I am filming on my tablet right now, and I have my phone. So yeah, we're gonna have her pick tons of things to put in our slimes. So let's get right onto the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this one, and make sure to turn on post notifications to catch these new videos. So first we have to put some glue in. I do not have clear glue at this point, so we cannot choose how to choose. I'm not gonna add too much. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna ask her is what paint to use. So I'm just gonna put these in like random order right now, and she's gonna pick 2 pieces of paint. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 8. 4. Blue. Okay. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 7. And Krista. Blue and Krista. We're gonna have a this one. Okay. Why did you just do that? Okay, now we're gonna have her pick. There's regular glitter, neon glitter, and Christmas glitter. See which kind of. Pick a number between 1 and 3.
It's 2.
Neon. Neon glitter. So far, she's doing great. Okay. Pick a number between 1 and 2. I'm gonna have her
Here's what I found on the web for me.
number.
Seems like I cut you off. Can you please repeat that?
Pick a number between 1 and 2.
It's 1.
1. Lotion. She wants us to put lotion. 2 would not be anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this up right here. And now I'm gonna ask her if we should do shaving cream, what kind, or no shaving. Pick a number between 1 and 3.
It's 1.
This kind. I'm almost out of this. Okay, so now we're gonna start adding glitter and dye. So I don't know how much dye to add. There's not a seal on it. It's not coming out though. Okay guys, we'll be right back when we finally get this in. So, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back and I got this down. Oh crap, that's a lot. Shut up, Rooster. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this in and then mix the pink crystal stuff in. It's not even good. Okay, so the paint's pretty chunky, so I'll be right back when I get it unchunky. So, bye. Okay guys, so there's no way we're gonna get this unchunky, and it's too light. So I'm just gonna use some blue die instead. Die is strong, so I don't think you're gonna need more than this. Okay, to Chris, hoping this is not chunky. Probably. Should we just use some okay. So, let's see what color this is. It's gonna turn brown. It's working better than the other. Okay guys, I'm not even gonna try this time to do anything. Just gonna pour some right into this. Okay, let's see how this turns out. It's so pretty right now. Can I make this like a really light kind of color? Oh wow, that's really pretty. Okay. So far, Siri is great at this. Now we're gonna have Siri pick 2 colors out of these glitters. Pick a number between 1 and 4.
The answer is 3.
Blue. Pick a number between 1 and 3.
It's 1.
I think it's 11. Okay. So she picked blue and purple, which is actually not that bad. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, so we're great at picking songs, guys. Now, we'll activate. I'm not even going to use my phone card because I'm out almost. Like well, not even fully that as much. So. Okay, since this is fluffy, guys, we're going to really mix. And I'll be back when it's done. I'll be back when it's done. A slime. Slime, slime, slime. Slime. Yes. Okay, so. Actually, really nice, guys. So pretty. And all the chunky paints got mixed in too. But I was needing. This is a little sticky, but it will go through. So, we're gonna make another slime. We'll be back when we get ready. Okay, guys. So we got everything ready, and I'm gonna ask Siri. So I'm gonna ask Siri if what color of pink to put in, and I did mix these around. Pick a number 1 between 8.
It's 76.
I said 8, not 100. Pick a number between 1 and 8. Hurry up. Oh my god, come on, hurry up. My Blue doesn't have all day. I'm not on that. Pick a number 1 between 8. Pick a number 1. Series 5 years later, it's still gonna be waiting for her. Get off my screen, God. Getting really mad seriously. Okay. Pick a number 1 through 8. Pick a number 1 between 8. I'll do it. Pick a number 1 through 8. Pick a number 1 between 8. I'll be back when actually Siri listens to me. So fine, and only Siri worked, and the answer is 5. So yellow. Okay. Pick a number 1 between 7.
It's 9.
Pick a number between 1 and 7.
That would be 3.
Blue. Yellow and we're getting green. It's a lot of people. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do glitters. I did mix the glitters up in different order. Pick a number 1 between 3.
It's 64.
Pick a number between 1 and 3.
The answer is 1.
Neon glitter again? Okay. I wanted something different this time. Sorry. Okay. Pick a number 1 between 2.
The answer is 33.
Pick a number between 1 and 2.
It's 1.
1. Solution. Okay. Again. Okay. Pick a number between 1 and 2.
It's 93.
Pick a number between 1 and 2.
The answer is 1.
No shaving cream. Okay. So let's just add those paints and glitters. Oh yay! It's not chunky! You don't know how that makes me. The blue's chunky, so not even gonna try with blue. Look at that, it's so bright. I just want to keep it pretty yellow. Here comes our green. I'm just gonna have like a there. I added a little drop of it, right? And I can see that already happened. Oh man, look how pretty that is. Ah, so pretty. Try for a green. It's gonna be a green and then a green and a green. It's green. Yeah. Green. Okay, so now we're just gonna add our glitter. Oh, I'm stupid. We're supposed to do that thing. Pick a number 1 between 4.
The answer is 40.
Pick a number between 1 and 4. We'll be back again. Come on, sorry. Alright, just gonna mix this glitter up that I already added. We'll be right back. Okay, she finally complicated with us, and it's 2, so it's pink anyways. Okay. So, stop. Okay. Pick a number between 1 and 3. Oh no, let's see how long she takes to done. She's taking, oh my god. Okay. Still on. Turbo Team 1 and 3. Yep, that's that one. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so she finally complicated 3. So it's purple. Okay. Now all you have to do is mix it up and make a song. I wonder how. Well, comment down below if you know what purple and green makes. I'm terrible at this, and I nope. I think it makes, but if it does, I'm gonna have to mix these. We're gonna find out in a minute once I mix a little bit. And touch it. Come on. I don't want to mix the purple slime. The purple slime's so pretty. The slime's pretty. It's just not good. Oh, I just got bit by a fly. Go away from me, fly. Here's a sort of nice, kind of sticky. I really don't want that out right now. No need. Yeah, you put that. Come on. Oh crap, this is sticky. Okay. Let's mix. Yeah. Oh my god, no, my phone. Get off my... Oh, I'm gonna stick my phone on that in a minute. Guys, my phone's on, so it's at 7, so that's why I pushed. You wanna hear something? I broke my old phone because it wasn't waterproof and slime came into it and broke it. That was last year. It was terrible. Or it was more like, I don't know. I think it was probably like slime. Or like clay type thing. Okay, so this slime is pretty nice, I should say. It's like I put my paint in my okay. Pick you up. Pick you up. Put this right here. And I'll grab much more activator. Oh my gosh. Okay. I like the purple color more, but I like the regular slime. Fluffy, but that was okay. Now we're gonna see what happens when you mix and purple the other. I already know. Wanna know how I know, guys? Because I had Sierra pick my slimes yesterday, and it was like, yeah, it was green and purple. It makes gray! What? It doesn't make gray? Add some more gray. I want to know if this is going to make gray or not. It's just going to make purple. Add that. Okay, so. It makes gray. Okay. I'm going to give a shout out. I'm going to get a shout out. Want a giveaway? I'll give you a giveaway for this slime. This slime right here is mine. So, bye. Here we go.